Hello, Tammy. Jarl Kubat here with West USA Realty and Arizona 55 Plus Communities. Say I'm at this condo that your nephew Matt has been telling you about. Brad and Ellen is here as well, and we're going to give you a tour of this unit inside and out. And let me know if you have any questions. So hang on to your eyeballs. I'm going to give you some live, raw, unedited, lots of blooper video. So as you know, Tammy, and I'm just saying this mainly for people that stumble into this video, I'm in the 45-55 plus community of Sunland Village East in Mesa, looking at one of their townhomes. So this is an end unit in a string of 4. Double garages, very nice units. This is one of the nicest sections of townhomes in here. Granted, they're all pretty nice, but what I don't get is something, and this is hard to find anywhere, something with this real long driveway and a very little private front patio area and a private back patio. Very unusual to get that. Just a very unique piece of property. HOA fees are $169 a month. Includes roof repair, roof replacement, includes all the exterior maintenance, the mowing, the trimming, the painting, the pest control, and your blanket insurance policy, which is wind and fire. So very nice, very reasonable, very affordable living. This unit sits on the end, and again, it faces south. It's on the north side of the street. Also, this section of townhomes in Sunland Village East is just west of the clubhouse. So I'm standing on the kind of on the southwest side corner of this property, looking back at it. And you've got a nice drainage area here between you and the units that would be across from you to the west. These roofs were just done recently, and the exterior of these units were all painted very recently. Standing in the northwest corner in the back of the property, looking back towards the unit that you're considering, I got a newer train heat pump there on the side of the house. And then again, just down the street to the west and a little bit south of you is where the mailboxes are. And then behind the units across the street from you, there's 2 rows of these units directly in front of you to the south, and those look at the golf course. And there's Matt over there making sure that we're not missing anything as we're checking this out for you. Nice front patio, and as you can see, this video here is sponsored by Zero Gatorade. Left my Gatorade sit on the front there. Very nice front patio, nice epoxy coating on it. You know, and they're not saying in the listing whether or not the furniture is available by separate bill of sale, but everything is already out of this unit, and I think all the furniture can be purchased with the unit. And again, now I'm standing on the front patio. These units are just to the west of you. Mailbox is straight over there, and then these units here are straight across the street from you. And then looking up the street here to the east, those units way down there to the end, right behind those is the bar and restaurant. So this unit is 1,592 square feet. I believe it was built in 1992. Don't quote me, I don't have the sheet with me here. But as we step right into the front door, immediately to the left is the guest bedroom. It is a split bedroom floor plan. Then just past the bedroom is a coat closet. But if I go inside the bedroom, we've got that doorway going from the guest bedroom into the guest bathroom. So it's almost like 2 masters. Very nice unit, nice and clean. So there's a pocket door in this front, going into this front bedroom. There's your double closet. And then here's the doorway going from the bedroom right into the guest bathroom. Very nice sized bedroom, as Matt and Ellen and Brad are all saying. Very nice light, lots of natural light coming into this home. And the carpet looks pretty good in all of the rooms. So here's the looking into the guest bathroom, and just before I enter it, we've got a linen closet, and then it's a full tub and shower, and there's another pocket door going into this room. Everything in here looks real nice. It'd be real easy to tile just this bathroom if you wanted to get rid of that little bit of carpet. So straight across the hallway from the guest bathroom is the laundry room. Lots of nice cabinetry in this as well. And then you've got the doorway going into the garage. And there's also a pocket door that closes this off from the hallway, but very nice shape. Lots of nice colors, you know, as Ellen said, very little painting would have to be done in this unit. And then this is just off the kitchen here. Nice large open pantry, and they've got an upright freezer in this as well. So as Brad would say, this is the best part of the whole unit is this kitchen. That breakfast bar there is 12 foot long from the wall where the red is. And as Matt and I said, all of these cabinets, all the lower ones have pull-out drawers, upper and lowers, and you would not lose much, especially with this large pantry behind me, and you've got another built-in pantry with the cabinetry. Those upper cabinets and that soffit could be taken out for probably in that $1,000 range. You'd have the ceiling all leveled off. Take this great big oak trim around, and you've completely changed your kitchen. Your sink overlooks the window here, back there down to the end. That looks to the west, and it's actually a very nice view looking out the window from your kitchen sink.
About 30 feet to the neighbor.
I'm standing in the dining area looking back towards this kitchen, but it really is pretty. Would not take much at all to update that kitchen and make it look a more modern look. And then looking back towards the front door, you'll see Matt there tucking himself back into the pantry. But you know, this isn't as long of a hallway as a lot of them, and it doesn't feel that long because there's a lot of natural light coming into this home. So I'm standing in the kitchen, and that doorway looks into the master bedroom here. Here's your dining area and a nice patio door that's out in the patio, and we've already showed you the back, but we'll show you a little more of that. And then a very large, very open living room. You do have views of the mountains from your dining room table and from your living room. Right behind this wall is the maintenance shop, but it's pretty quiet. Maintenance shop is a little more to the east, but this is where they have some of their gravel and stuff for maintaining the golf course and different things.
Should we throw this milk out? It's ready to burn.
Standing in the southwest corner of your living room, looking back towards the kitchen, looking up there, that doorway to the left just past the dining room table. To the right of the dining room table is the doorway going into the master bedroom. And then this goes out onto your patio. All of the furniture is pretty nice, and like I said, we could work up an offer that includes all the furniture, but it's fairly decent, and this unit is really move-in ready. This is a queen-size bed in this master. Again, nice and light, but a very nice size master bedroom. The carpet in the bedroom and the guest bathroom is a little bit more worn than the other guest bedroom. You do have double sinks here, and then you've got a large garden tub and a very nice size shower. Immediately to the right is a nice size walk-in closet. And as I walk in to the guest bathroom, here's where your toilet is, right back to the side of the shower.
That's a big, wide shower, too.
Yeah, as Matt says, this is a very large, wide shower.
It's a foot wider than yours.
Okay, he's saying it's a foot wider than what you currently have. Standing in the master bath, looking out again to the master bedroom. And then just giving you a view from another angle, I'm in the northeast corner of your living dining room area.
It's about 45 feet over there, isn't it?
It's a long ways. This is a very large open area. You don't get this size of a living dining room kitchen in a $350,000 house in here. This is nicer than a lot of the homes in here as far as open space. So stepping out onto the back patio here, you got this nice wall all the way behind you, and you really can see the mountains especially from inside the unit, and it's quiet back here. There's the three units to the east of you here, but this is all maintained by the HOA. It'd be kind of nice if once you got into something like this, we could ask the homeowners association, or I think you can give them some money and ask them to plant another tree back in here someplace. But that would be kind of nice to do. So this is your patio, and then again that looks to the west, and then this is your neighbors. There's that block wall that separates you two. They've got a large extended patio here because they've got a little smaller unit. These guys are also from Minnesota. They're an older couple. I've known them for quite a few years. So looking in, this is a very nice size double garage here. You got lots of built-in cabinets with storage underneath those cabinets. This is a block wall that runs all the way through these units. And then when you get inside the unit, both sides are furred out and insulated from the other unit. You just don't hear anything from your neighbors next door. And of course, Tammy, you're already familiar with that, given the one that you already live in. The hot water heater was replaced in 2016, and there is a water softener loop up there if you do want to add a water softener. There's a set of steps going into the attic there. I noticed yesterday when I was looking at the unit that those steps are cracked, and they're going to need to be replaced with aluminum ladder. But that's pretty reasonable to take care of that. Right there by Ellen is the electrical panel, and that's where all your circuit breakers are for the unit. This is looking straight north, just on the other side of the fence. And almost straight north here is the driving range, past the maintenance shop and the maintenance yard. Hey Tammy, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, give me a call. If you stumbled into this video looking for a home for yourself in Arizona or your friends or family of Tammy's, please visit my website at www.justjarl.com or give me a call at 480-710-6326. I look forward to meeting you in person, and I truly appreciate your business. Thank you, and have a great day.